Welcome to the future of the seas. Alpha 7 Reborn is fully operational.
Alpha 7 in sight! Prepare for docking! You've been too long! Time to wake up!
Structural integrity at 12%. We have a lot of work to do, Jax.
Understood, Aura. Phase 1, mutation.
Parameters adjusted.
Let's tear down the past. Path cleared. Moving to the core.
Drones deployed. Surface preparation in progress.
Nature has claimed this place. Time to take it back.
One down, 20 to go. Stubborn piece of junk.
Warning. Center of gravity shifting. Stabilize immediately.
Air quality restored. The stage is set for the new core.
The past is gone. Now, let's build the future. Almost there. Drop zone clear. Hold steady. Affirmative. Stabilizing now.
Core aligned. Ready for neural. Life support systems online. Water is flowing, Jax.
Hold it steady! Don't let the wind take it! Hold it steady! Don't let the wind take it!
It's happening!
Wind power online. We have sustainable energy, Jax. Let there be light. Cyber style.
Almost there.
Processing energy matrix.
Stability at 99.8%. Okay, activate city core.
Command center online. You are now the mayor of the ocean, Jax.
Security pit perimeter established. Alpha 7 is now a fortress.
Halfway there. The monster is becoming a masterpiece. First module home. The city is taking shape.
Photosynthesis initiated. We have oxygen and food production.
Alpha 7 is dead. Long live Alpha 7 Reborn. I need to be as strong as this city.
Subsurface maintenance drones deployed. Structural reinforcement in progress.
It's beautiful, Aura. We did it.
Welcome to the future of the seas. Alpha 7 Reborn is fully operational.
Not today, Ocean. Not today. Not today.
Impact absorbed. Integrity at 99%.
We are invincible. A new day for Alpha 7. A new day for us.
Pure, perfect, just like we planned.
Engines at 30%. Alpha 7 Reborn is underway. Destination, the new world.
The storm has claimed the Alpha 7. Not anymore.
One down. 50 to go. The ocean is ours to rebuild.